I am on a real roll. It is almost noon. I've hit 3 antique malls so far. I just arrived at Heritage. I've only spent $169. I have to say, I'm disturbed by how excited I am about finding that 1968 birth control. Even the packet was cool. So let's go in and find some more goodies. Dude, I don't know, guys. It's kind of busy in here. A lot of these cats are newer. Art glass. This is pretty. $5. Look at these guys. Part of a set. These are really fun. Rooster and hen, $3. Those are really awesome. Oh my gosh, my dad would love this. I actually think I got him one of these. Pair of bottles, 16. Those are cool, even though they're missing their stoppers. I like the shape on that. Well, this has my attention. Look at this basket. Stop, $2. Sold. That is a steal. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so into it. Cow creamer, 14. No, thank you. Yeah, I'm really excited about this basket. Santa glasses, 32. Okay, never mind. Oh, look at the ponytail lunchbox. So cute. I'm obsessed with the carnival cane. Oh my gosh. Now you guys know I normally don't do bisque, but this girl with the balloons kind of struck my attention. She's got some newspaper print on her cheek. She's $12. How cute are these? What's happening here? Magnets. I like the hot dogs. All right, this case is kind of what I was gunning for. Oh, I hate that you can't see the price tags on so far everything I've been interested in. Let's see. There's so much stuff in here. So much good stuff. Oh my gosh. Look. The candle ring. Hold Howard. It's just a single one. It's only $14. That's great for a collector. I've also found some really great salt and pepper shakers here. I'm not seeing any today in this section that are really catching my eye. Oh my gosh, look at this grab bag. 24. That's actually a pretty good price. I think they have 10%. I thought it was 20. It's 10. Yeah. When you divide that up, that's not bad at all. Surprisingly, this is what caught my attention. That is... Huh. Kind of like that. Probably because it's got red polka dots. Oh my gosh, look at this tin. These are usually expensive here. 48. Yeah, I love the graphic on that though. It's the cow. Oh my gosh, and the bunny. Oh, kill me. So cute. Ah, chalkware cats that I've never seen. $24 for the pair. So 22. Unfortunately, that's too high for me to do resale with. Oh, they're so much fun though. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is happening here? Oh my gosh. Ah, I caught it. Hold on. So this is interesting. 7 pieces. Wow. And they've got some age to them. Oh my gosh, they've even got their feet under there. So it's this one. That's probably... Is that real hair? Might be real hair, actually. Oh my gosh. These are fantastic. The chenille one. And then it will come with this one, and the little basket. 34 for all. You know what? I'm gonna buy it. They're super delicate and super fragile, but they're incredible. I'm getting this. I'm obsessed. Wow. That's so cool. Oh, I'm in love. I kind of want to keep one, honestly. And what has it got underneath it? It's got more paper. It's really interesting. Well, I kind of have my hands full, but look at this Joseph Originals duck. 18. Dang, that's more than I'd like to spend. He's fantastic though. Okay, I really need assistance. All right, well, I found a little chair to prop my stuff on while I raid their jewelry here. The first thing I see, of course, is that like neon pink metal enamel daisy pin. Of course, there's no price tag on it, which is probably why it's still there. see if I can find something. Of course. What is this one? Wow, that's like, it's like celluloid, I think. That's really interesting. Yeah, that's celluloid. That's $3.50. I'm getting that. And then this one, that's like glass, isn't it? Yeah, that's glass. Very cool. Again, at $3.50, I'll get that one. I wonder if they'll honor the $3.50. I saw another one like it. All right, well, they said they had to ask the vendor, so I'm gonna pass on that for now. These are all earrings. Dang. Oh my gosh. There's such fun earrings that, oh my gosh. There's stuff coming out every direction. Another little Valentine's Day handkerchief. $3.50 sold. Aha, but there is more pins. I really like the parrot. I can't see how much that one says. I'm gonna have to open that up. The face is kind of neat too. What about in this one? Not sure. Oh, I kind of love that one. Might grab that. Yeah, let's see what else. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of ones. All right, I'm just gonna go one by one. Let me put my camera down. So it looks like all the other ones I had picked out had something wrong with them, but I am gonna go ahead and get this. I just think that's so cute for $4.50. I love that style. And then, oh, this one's broken too, actually. Dang, I was gonna say. That stinks. That's really cute. Maybe I won't get this. I've kind of lost my stamina. I'm gonna go ahead and assume the rest of that jewelry had been pretty scavenged through. Scavenged? I don't think that's a word, but you know what I mean. Because a lot of the ones that I liked had something wrong with them or were broken in some way. Ooh, silhouette tiles, $20 though. Oh my gosh, look at this box. Look at the doll, $5. Toy. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's so fun. I love the graphics on these old black and white photos. Now the glasses are epic. Oh my gosh. So much fun. I want a pair of vintage glasses. I wish I didn't have actual prescriptions though, because I love the tint on the old glasses. Wait, look at this doll. She's very expensive. Can we talk about this hat though? Oh my gosh, $35. If it wasn't as stained up and it was a little bit less, I would totally get that. It's like my new beanie. And I see what is this, a flag flex? No, that's not flag flex. Similar, but not the same. Oh, so cute. Look at those Bakelite bracelets. They're a little spendy for me, and there's not one that sticks out enough for me to spend that much. I'm holding out for Mad Hatter. Here's another thing that sticks out to me. This looks like maybe a money clip. No, it's a fur collar clip. That lucite with the stone, that is so neat. Oh, and of course that ormolu with the gold in the middle. I mean, the purple in the middle. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. All right, I'm back to resale land. Had a little bit too much fun looking for myself. This one's $6. That's a really good price. That's a fun one. Wait, look at this one. I love the rhinestones on that. That's $5. The black and gray don't sell as well for me, but I really like the fact that it's got the old rhinestones in it. This one's nice, but I don't know, there's something about it. I'm just not in the rose mode, I guess. Stop it. Look at this. That's an S Epic set. I don't see a discount though. Oh, that stinks. It's like a little too close at 18. And same with the black and white daisies. Now that I would pick up if it was a little bit less. Look at this crazy bracelet with the glass amber beads and gold chains. It's kind of wild. It's only $8. I kind of want to pick that up. It's wild looking. Maybe if I see somebody with keys, but it's pretty busy in here, so I'm gonna keep going in the meantime. All right, let's all hold our breath while I look at the price tag on this, because I don't care that the eyelash is chipped. For that price, $22 repair on scarf. Dang, Yeah, that's really repaired. That is amazing, though. Oh, that's painful. What? That is so fantastic. I don't see a discount, unfortunately, though. Look at this little bunny in the watering can. He's bisque, but he's adorable. He's only $4. That is so cute. Oof. I don't know why I'm not gonna get it, but I'm not. Look at this. Plaster-like dog doorstop. Well, that means chalkware, and it's fantastic. $8 is a super fair price. I'm gonna leave them today, though. I love the cigarette punch board. I was originally looking at the little Irwin doll. $8, super fair. It's hard to be excited about that when you have that behind it, though. That's so my style. Wow, look at these amazing. This one is amazing. The Patsy doll. Of course, I like the most expensive one. Like I said, I'm still holding out for Mad Hatter. These are really neat. I think they're salt and, no, I thought it was salt and pepper shakers. Maybe it's a pencil sharpener, actually. I'm weirdly into this, too. 25 is too much for me, but it's very neat. And look at this gray-haired angel. Oh my gosh. Celluloid cat, as is, $5. Okay, what's wrong with it, though? I don't really see much wrong with it. I see that it's got a little tiny bend in the tail there, but for $5, I'm grabbing this thing. This is epic. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, $85. Yeah, I don't really see anything other than that little, oh, I see, it's got a little dent. It doesn't really bother me, honestly. It probably should, because I said I wasn't gonna buy damaged items, but it doesn't. Look at these dolls. Celluloid cats are so hard to find, and when you do find them, they're very expensive, so I think it will be fun for a collector who just wants like a good deal instead of, yeah, that's really neat, especially the fact that it's got that base on it. I'm getting this. I'm not gonna think twice about it again. There's a really unique planter back there. It's $10. Oh, but she's so fun. She's got such a great face. Oh, it requires a key though. I'm not sure I'm up for that because I want to keep shopping. Oh my gosh, look at this sweet little leopard. Man, I am cleaning up today. I only spent $48 in there, and we both agreed that basket looks like sterling, if not at least silver plated. It definitely kind of looks sterling though. I'll investigate it more later. I am too ramped up to keep going. Next, I think I'm gonna go to Adamstown Antique Mall and then Mad Hatter, or maybe Mad Hatter first because I'm so wound up. I don't know. Oh, we'll see you when you get there. Well, not when you get there, when I get there. Gosh. Woo.